But enough said on that. Let's check out this bad boy.
Well, that is a very big old package.
We got a package from HOROW, and it's not exactly Lego, but this is an at-home essential. Let's crack her on open. Check out our control panel. So everything inside is going to be our control center, our instruction booklet, and of course our toilet, which we can now unbox. And of course, this is going to be our newest bidet. And inside the toilet seat is a battle pack. Okay, I put that in there, I was just kidding. What actually inside is hardware. Some batteries and miscellaneous hardware for our install, a new wax seal, and everything we need for a complete install of our new bidet. Stella and Georgiana having some fun.